Israel, Israel, Israel ka anyị ga-eso. Ọ na-eje eje ma ọ na Israel ka anyị ga-eso. Benjamin, Benjamin, Benjamin ka anyị ga-eso. Ọ na-eje eje ma ọ na anyị ka anyị ga-eso. Donald Trump, Donald Trump, Donald Trump ka anyị ga-eso. Ọ na-eje eje ma ọ na Donald Trump ka anyị ga-eso. Israel, Israel, Israel ka anyị ga-eso. Ọ na-eje eje ma ọ na Donald Trump ka anyị ga-eso. All hail Donald Trump. All hail the United States of Israel. More are coming. We are rejoicing because we know that these people that say these things are men of actions. These are not women's threat. You know, especially Benjamin Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel. The reason why I'm hailing Israel is because I know that when he speaks, he perfects his plan. You know, he's a man of action. Ever since this man has made this threat, ever since Trump strikes the terrorists in Nigeria, the killings has reduced so massively. Have you guys noticed that? Have you? You're a Nigerian. If you haven't noticed, let me know in the comment section. You know, and now Israel has joined the battlefield. He has joined the fight against terrorism, and you guys knows what that means. Israel doesn't take any shit. You know, when their plane wants to shit in Nigeria, to drop their, you know, it's very, very massive. You know, in Sambisa Forest, in all parts of those terrorist states, they don't look back. They strike beyond repair. So, what am I saying in essence? If you know that you're a tourist in Nigeria, please pack your load and go. This year 2026, our Odogu has spoken. He has spoken, and so shall it be. You know, Donald Trump has also spoken, and these guys, these are our men of action. These are not women threats, and you guys know that. So Shegumi should go and rest.